present you a documentary about safety management in SV building at Adamson University.
In the past, fire accidents happened, and still as of now, society cannot escape of such a tragedy. People become homeless, people die, and people suffer. So how can we increase the safetyness of ourselves from fires?
Narito po ako ngayon sa Adamson University at ito po ang SV Building. Halika at samahan niyo po akong mag-inspeksyon sa St. Vincent de Paul Building. Narito ako ngayon sa third floor ng SB Building, kung saan matatagpuan ang isang isolated room. Kung sakali magkaroon ng sakuna, tulad ng sunog, lindol, at iba pang uri nito. Makakababa ng maayos ang mga taong nasa loob nito sa ganitong uri ng hagdan na matarik at makipot? Ang isa sa kinagandahan dito sa SV Building ay ang pagkakaroon nila ng kompletong fire extinguishers sa bawat palapag. At makikita rin natin na tama lang ang distance nito sa isa't isa. At makikita din natin dito ang phone directory na kung saan maaaring tawagan kung sakaling magkaroon ng sakuna. At ang floor plan kung saan makikita ang mga exits. Ngunit, ang problema lang dito ay wala silang fire hose, na kung saan kapag naubos na ang laman ng fire extinguisher ay wala na silang magagamit upang mapuksa ang sunog.
Now, we will ask a professional to see what SV building is lacking.
Showing the evacuation floor plans of SV building in Adamson, what can you say about the fire exits of our building? Is there somewhat lacking or the building fire exit is sufficient? If there is, what are your recommendations? If there is none, is there any suggestions we can make to improve this fire safety measure?
Looking at the diagram that you are showing now is, I think there is no problem with means of egress. Actually, we are not talking about the fire exits. What we are talking about is the means of egress. It is what being discussed here in the Fire Code of the Philippines. It is RA 9514. The arrangement of the means of egress is likewise okay lang siya. So, but what you have shown me here, you have not shown me the travel distance from one exit to the other exit, because there is consideration in here. But the arrangement so far is good, and I think there is no lacking in here in the means of egress and also the exit route. However, the travel distance from one exit to the from one means of egress to the other means of egress must be considered also. There is a minimum distance from one egress to the other egress. That is for educational, that should be 46 meters from the means of egress to the other side of the means of egress. But for the locations, okay lang siya.
Proceeding to the second question, sir, about electrical wirings. Here is a picture of here we have a messy electrical wirings. As a professional firefighter, can this wiring lead to fire? How and what are your recommendations?
No, there's no exactly we call this danger in this type of considering that it's so well taped. However, there are some rules to be considered with regards to the tapping and arrangement of wiring with regards to the provisions of the Philippine Electrical Code. This is not covered in fire code, so I think you have to research more of the electrical code.
Adamson University is a private Catholic university in Manila. Founded on June 30, 1932 by a Greek immigrant George Lucas Adamson. He called it the Adamson School of Industrial Chemistry. On February 5, 1941, the school was granted university status. And on December 4, 1964, the university was turned over to the Vincentian Fathers of the Congregation of the Mission and was incorporated into the Adamson Ozanam Education Institution Incorporated.
Isa sa mga problema ng SB building ay ang pagkakaroon ng mga open switches at open wiring na ito.
In-interview namin si Engineer Lavadia ng Electrical Engineering Department para sa ilang mga katanungan.
So, dito po sa picture na to, tama po ba na yung junction box ay nakabukas?
Siyempre hindi. Dapat nakasarado yung junction box for safety purposes. Hindi lang yung junction box, pati yung mga utility switches natin, utility outlet, saka yung mga ibang circuit breakers natin, dapat nakasara for safety purposes. Kasi kung may open wire yan at nadikit ka, malaking tendency na makuryente yung tao na makakahawak nito. Okay.
Ito po yung dito po sa picture na to.
So, ganun din dyan. Dapat dyan, aside dun sa box, dapat nakaayos din yung mga kable natin. Okay. Nakaayos din na sabihin hindi nang hihitatan sa alikabok yung ating mga electrical equipment. No? Hanggat maaari, malinis yung system. Tapos, syempre hindi contaminated ng tubig o hindi nababagsakan ng tubig ulan. Kaya dapat naka-cover para safe palagi. Okay.
Ano po yung dapat gawin kapag may rust na yung metal sa gilid?
Yung rust naman sa ang ginagawa namin dyan, kung medyo makapal-kapal pa yung yero mo, okay, dinederust namin yan. Derusting ang tawag. No? So, ang derusting is tinatanggal yung rust, kumbaga sa Filipino term, kinukudkod. No? Kinukudkod yung rust, tapos pinipinturahan ulit para magmukhang bago. Which is mas mura, mas madaling gawin. Kumpira sa magpalit ako ng buo. Okay?
Yung sa mga junction, switch po, main switch, dapat po ba authorized personnel lang makakabukas na makakasara?
personnel lang yung nakakabukas at nakakasara. Ang problema, yung iba pinapadlock at kailangan mo ng susi. Sa kalaunan, nawawala yung susi. Okay? Yun ang problema. Ngayon, in case of fire, hahanapin pa yung susi para mabuksan mo siya. Okay? Okay din na ilalak para hindi magalaw ng kung sino-sino. Kaya lang, I suggest na meron namang mga lock na parang may number code. Just yung operator lang ang nakakaalam o yung maintenance crew natin. Okay? In case na may safety o may gagalawin, alam nila yung code, hindi nila kailangan hanapin yung susi. Okay? Number lang, no? So, yun ang advantage and disadvantage na may susi. Okay?
Kasi po din sir, sa may mga na-interview ko natin, firemen, sabi nila yung mga karamihan daw na sunog, dahilan ng mga electrical wires. Ano ba yung masasabi?
Kawawa naman ang electrical, no? Laging sinisisi dahil sa mga electrical faulty wiring. Actually, mali kasi ang practice ng Pilipino. Mali ang practice natin, ano? Sa ibang bansa kasi, for example, bago yung bahay o bago lahat ng wiring, then after maybe the next 5 to 10 years, kine-check nila yan. Just to know kung enough pa yung resistance ng wire mo to carry such current. No? To carry yung mga loads mo. Okay, pinapacheck nila yan. Sa atin, hindi natin pinapractice yun. Ang pinapractice natin dito, hanggang uubra, pwede pa, ayos lang yan, wala tayong papalitan. This is a sad part sa atin, no? Kita mo yung bunga. So, tatagalan, maybe hanggang yung practice natin, hanggang nakakabit, at hanggang gumagana yung equipment, wala nangyayari, okay lang yun. Okay, kaya lang, yung epekto, kadalasan pag lumang-luma na yung wire, medyo around 20 to 30 years na yung kable natin at hindi nababago, humihina rin yung resistance niyan. Parang compare natin sa tubo ng tubig. Kung ang tubo ng tubig mo bakal, okay, kalawang di ba kinakalawang din? Ganun din ang humihina yung kanyang capacity o strength na para mag-deliver ng current dun sa load mo. Which is ang epekto, pag nag-overcurrent ka, sunog ang bahay mo. Ang kadalasan, ang sunog ho, hindi nagmumula sa isang, halimbawa, isang outlet lang papunta doon o palibot sa bahay nyo ng dire-diretso. Sabay-sabay ho yan pag nasunog yan. Kaya kalaunan, pag nasunog ho yan, hindi nyo humahabol. Kasi sabay-sabay eh. Okay? Sabay-sabay ho yan. Ibig sabihin parang bumigay na yung buong kable mo. No? So, kung ito yung papatayin mo, mapapatay mo ito, maaari. Pero the rest of your house, wala na tupok na po ng apoy. Okay? Lalo na yung makikita natin minsan sa mga barong-barong, di ba? Mostly dyan, yung mga wire, ilang beses nang ginamit, tapos ginagamit pa rin. No? Without checking, without knowledge doon. Kaya, yun ang nagiging bunga. No?
Ano po yung dapat gawin para maiwasan yung
I suggest, every siguro in the next maybe 5 years after the installation, it will be checked by maybe a registered master electrician. Okay, just to check the insulation of the cables, kung minsan may mga ngat-ngat na ng daga, kung may sugat na yung kable, kung meron na akong mga grounded na system. Okay, yun yung mga dapat na i-check. Okay, that might be a cause of yung mga fire natin. Saka electric shock din sa tao kung tayo halimbawa yung na-ground na tinatawag natin. Okay? Dapat siguro checking lang. Every 5 years, okay na yun.
Ano po yung dapat natin sa mga electrical na dapat natin alalahanin para maiwasan natin yung mga sakit?
Okay. Sa ngayon, pinapractice natin, sinasuggest din ng mga electrical company gaya ng Meralco, yung mga overloading, yung mga octopus wiring, tapos yung mga jumper. Okay. Without knowledge sa electricity, akala kasi nung iba, basta magkaroon lang ako ng kuryente o malagyan ko lang ng power yung bahay ko, okay na. Okay, so hindi. I suggest, consult the electrical engineer or maybe consult the registered master electrician to check yung system, tapos to check yung mga wiring, and it might help also yung mga energy saving tips ng halimbawa if you have the large consumption, maybe mapapababa natin ng konti kung mapapakonsulta natin sa tamang mga ibig sabihin sa mga talaga nag-aaral ng electricity, no? Lalo na yung mga consumption, no? Parang gano'n. Okay.
Salamat po yun lang po yun.
Sige. Okay. Thank you, Ren. Thank you.
In-interview din namin si Engineer Acosta ng Civil Engineering Department. Ma'am, ano po ba yung foundation ng SB building?
Kasi yung foundation nito, yung kung ano yung forma ng building, yung shape sa baba. Yung foundation. Pero, may pader siya sa ilalim para ma-protectan yung seepage internally at the air, at the ground. Para ma-protectan yung tubig doon sa creek. Kaya ang foundation niya malalim. Pero all throughout. Hindi yung poste-poste, hindi. Kaya to protect the building itself.
Ma'am, tama po ba yung height ng railings dito po sa corridor ng SB building?
Delikado. Kailangan dapat dito. Depende sa area. Yung ano yan stairwell, delikado yan. Kailangan po protektahan mo dyan yung mga passers.
The railing's height in the SV building is short, and at rare cases, someone might fall due to pushing that can cause accidents. Also, this shows the lack of maintenance in the interior parts of the building.
Ma'am, napansin din po namin na medyo marami na pong crack yung floorings ng SB building. Signs po ba yun ng pagiging weak ng building dahil po matanda na po ito?
Yung mga crack, manageable yan. Kaya lang, huwag pabayaan lumaki kasi isa makapadapa yan. Ganun.
Sa rooms ko, di ba po yung estudyante noon, 40 students. Yung nakita po namin, halos lahat, isa lang yung pintuan. Tama po ba yun?
Yun ang hindi dapat. Hindi safe yun. Alam mo bakit? In time of emergency, unsafe yun. Kasi, siyempre, yung commotion ng estudyante, mamaya, nasusunog pala yung aircon. Di ba, minsan, cause ng aircon yung sunog. Minsan, sa dami ng estudyante, hindi kagad makalabas, nagsisiksikan. Nagja-jump pack na sila, di ba? So, therefore, kailangan may another exit.
As we can see, some doors of the SV building are push-out doors, and that is a good safety measure. But the drawback is, this room has only one door. While in this room, the situation could be worse. This room has only a single push-in door, which is not a good safety measure. Students may not be able to exit immediately in case of emergencies. So help them God.
May nakon po kami nung ito, yung lightings po. Tama po ba na yung lightings? Yung nakahook lang po siya.
Delikado rin yan kasi pag naglindol, ang movement na nalindol, alam mo naman, predictable. May time na sobrang lakas. O di yun, i-suggest nyo, recommend nyo na the lightning must be provided in such a way it is safe or it is embedded in the ceiling or a little bit nakaprotrude sa ceiling. Hindi ganyan. Kasi para ka nagduduyan dyan pag lumindol yan. So change the type of provision of ceiling lighting.
The Technology Research and Development Center is an entity residing at Adamson University. It conducts chemical research and testing sites of their clients. They were located at the SU building and now transferred at La Concordia College. We found out that they had left an unknown chemical storage that can lead to Adamsonians in harm's way. We asked Engineer Albert Evangelista from Chemical Engineering Department about those chemicals. He said that AUT-RDC will take responsibility if the chemicals is said to be hazardous. Also, they should dispose any chemical materials that they left in Adamson in order to ensure the safety of the students. We also asked how chemicals are being treated in Adamson University. And to our surprise, Engineer Evangelista answered that they only treat the university waterways by means of processing chemical mixtures with it, making it reusable in some parts of the university, and make it less cost of its water bill. We can see a tank supplied by oxygen plus the bacteria, which will react to the waterways of the university. The second tank acts as a normalization tank wherein the concentration is being maintained in a certain level. The normalization process in Adamson University is 2 hours. All of these tanks automatically operate in 24 hours, 7 days a week. And it will be only manually operated if there is a certain chemical to be mixed to the tanks. An example of this is a water coloring, which will distinguish in some CRs, and also some chemicals that can see some antibacterial concentrations. And lastly, the third tank that acts as a filtration unit is the recycled water.
Nakita ho natin na medyo may katandaan na ang SV building. Marahil ito na rin ho ang kadahilanan kung kaya't may ilang depekto tayong nakita dito. Ngunit sa kabila ng lahat, ay masasabi pa rin po natin na ligtas ang magklase dito sa SV building.